Hey, can I buy you a drink? And I was like,
It's the penny hoarder, not for a quarter. No, it's not the quarter hoarder. It's a penny. Just working as a waiter, and this other waiter was like, he's like, you're hilarious. You have to go to an open mic. And that's how I started at open mic. I'm trying to do a thing where I go now and I want to just really tell stories about my life and get into it. I used to assist a lady during massages. I know that sounds weird. But like I would like get the sheets ready and the oils. I did that and that was good. I used to do Persian weddings and that was good because they were so big and you could just hide behind the baklava and just like, you know, pretend you're handing out baklava. And I made $18,000 on the screen and I bought a BMW with my whole paycheck. I can't drink or do drugs and never say, what's the line? See, it's been 20 years, I forget. He just clock it. No, B-Rad doesn't really think about money because he's always just trying to get a record deal. You know, I think you gotta really look at the rainy day stuff because sometimes when you're making money, you think you're just gonna be making the same amount of money your whole life, and Hollywood's not like that. And there have been years I made a lot of money and there's years I haven't made any money. Lots, what do you want? I never get an Uber XL, I always get an Uber X. I got these shoes in Canada last week, which are cheaper because they're Canadian. So they were like 90 bucks Canadian, which is like 73. I go to Trader Joe's, Costco, I get bulk. I'm just starting to think that everyone's gonna have their own reality show. It's just everyone's doing stuff and my life is so bizarre that I think it'll be good. But it's not like regular reality, it's like a real reality. Be penny heads, okay? Come out to my show, don't do the Groupon. Okay, don't see Jamie Kennedy for 60% off with some teeth whitening. No, pay the whole damn price. I don't go to your job, try to get something for a penny, because there's nothing out there.